Hi guys, how are you? Welcome to LifeSmart webinar, Live Studio. I'm Sean from Tech Support Department. Please let me see your hands. You can type one letter you like in the chat box. Anyone? Anyone type a letter in the chat box? I'm glad to show and share with you today's course. Oh, hello. Hello, Harris. Hello, AR. Okay. Today's scene is typical smart home scene design. Well, let's cut to the chase. In this course, we will learn three parts. Train of thought for scene design, a typical scene of smart home scene, and last, create a demo room. Part 1. Here, I want to ask a question. Have you designed any smart home solutions for yourself or your customer? Do you have any ideas about how to design your customer's smart home with LifeSmart products? Maybe now you have a series of ideas. Let's sort out our thinking in this class. As a premise, before designing a plan, we must understand the customer's needs first. What are their requirements indeed? Usually, the customer cares about 2 points. One is the function, and the other is the price, right? So first of all, you need to communicate with users in detail to understand the functional requirements and the budget requirements. To understand if the customer have a specific requirements for the smart devices and special requirements for the realized scene. And according to the customer's budget, we need to achieve the customer's needs as far as possible. Today I have sorted out 3 ideas for everyone, and here is idea 1. Idea 1 for skin design. If the customer is kind of clear about what scenario they want to realize, in this situation, we need analyze the scenes the customer provide to us. Then match the products needed to realize the scenario. And of course, in different rooms or areas, there must be different things to achieve. So we need to analyze the different things one by one. And until the end, we add up total products and generate a device list. Here, these 4 steps are the ideal one. Like idea 2, if the customer doesn't understand the smart home well and he provide us a floor plan. The floor plan is clear, and so at this situation, we need to provide and explain smart home things to our customer first. Different things in different areas. We can refer to the floor plan the customer provided to us, and then we need to arrange the positions of the devices installation. We can arrange the positions according to the existing furnishments and outlet slots and so on. Then add devices in each rooms or areas. Oh, hello, Sheriff. And the first step is add up total products and generate a device list. Then idea 3, if the customer's budget is known, the customer requirements cannot even be achieved. At this moment, how how we can design the scheme? First, we can analyze the different things in different areas, referring to the floor plan, and we need to list up required products and alternative products. Introduce and explain the function or realize the things with the optional devices in order that the customer can decide finally if buy or not. And then add devices in each areas or rooms. Last, add up to the products and generate a device list. So above are the 3 ideas for how to design a scheme of a smart home scene. Then is the part 2, typical scheme of smart home scene. Well, wait a minute. I divided the typical scheme into 4 modules. They are room scene function realization, device installation positions map, installation precautions, and smart device list. For these 4 modules, you can combine the 4 modules carefully to form your plan that you think the customer wants. But I believe the combination of all 4 modules is a more complete and clear solution. Maybe you could also add your complete description or the introduction of LifeSmart. Module 1, room scene function realization. I listed 7 different rooms or areas, such as hallway, living room, bedroom, kitchen, and bathroom, balcony, and so on and so forth. Okay, let's take a look. First is the entrance area or hallway functions. This area. When you're back home, the lights, Sonos music player, or other background music, HVAC curtain will automatically works. When you leave home, click away mode to arm alarm system to and turn off all the lights and air conditioners. When someone intrudes, indoor camera will snapshot and push alert notifications to your phone. Here is not all products are listed here. This is our indoor camera, and this is our Nature 7 panel. This Nature 7 panel can be installed on the wall in the entrance area. When your family or the visitors enter in your home, it will make you feel advanced, right? Feel advanced, feel magnificent and tasteful, right? Like living room functions such as voice control. Such as voice control, dimming, intelligent regulation of ambient temperature and humidity. Customize the cinema mode and one click to switch it. And for this thing, you need a cube clicker. Okay. Auto open and close the curtain by timing or according the light brightness. BGM play and the remote two-way audio or video talk to the camera. Here, and not all products are listed here. Smart station is the center of our cruise system, and cube environment sensor, nature mini switch, code modem, and so on. Then here is the kitchen. Kitchen functions such as smart gas detection, trigger alarm, and auto close the gas valve, real-time water leakage detection and push alert notifications, motion triggered to turn or off the light, and automatic window opening. The products such as defect siren, water leak sensor, and gas sensor. Here is a bathroom. Bathroom functions such as timing switch the water heater, energy saving and environmental protection, real-time water leakage detection and send push notifications. Magic Mirror helps to view weather news and know your hairs. Motion triggered to turn on or turn off the light. Here is a smart plug. And the bedroom, for bedroom, the lights automatically turn on when you're getting up at night and the auto turn off. One click to activate sleep mode, reading mode, daytime mode. Auto switch different lights brightness and color. Auto open and close the curtain and other appliances. A double control or multiple control is convenient to turn on or turn off the lights in anywhere. It's a cube motion sensor, curtain motor, a smart mini. It's a sport mini. It's a IR controller. And for bakery or garden functions, uh, like motion triggered to turn on, turn off the light, you need a motion sensor, switches, PIR wall lamp, outdoor camera for garden. The outdoor can monitor the garden. A smarter irrigation. You need a general control node and 12 or 24 voltage water valve. Here is the general control node, outdoor camera, and the PIR wall lamp. Above are the seven functions for the different areas or rooms. Next, the second module is a device positions map. Here you can see it's a floor plan with devices added. On the right, they are a device graphic symbols. So it's very intuitive to look over this device positions map. You can find directly what you have added and what the device required in each area or each room. Here is a case. For this apartment, this is a whole floor plan with the smart devices added on it. On the right side is a graphic symbols. And we need to give an explanation to each area. First is the entrance area. Okay, you can explain the functions here. When opening the door at night, automatically turn on the lights. Open the door to play specific music. One click to off home mode and turn off the all lights. One click to back home mode, disarm and turn on all lights. Then is the living room. The customer can see the devices needed and the function that can be realized. When people come into the room, lights on automatically. When people leave, the lights off. Yeah, so this description is quite the same as before. And voice control, music play, and so on. And then here is the kitchen. And when people come into the room, lights on automatically. When people leave, the lights off. And smart gas detection and real-time water leakage detection. And then here is the bathroom. Smart motion detection automatically turn on or turn off lights, and the real-time water leakage detection and send push notifications. And then is the bedroom. Lights automatically turn on when getting up in the evening, and open the door to turn on the lights. One click to activate the sleeping mode, turn off all lights and electric appliances. One click to change the color of the light. Okay. The third module, installation precautions. We need to indicate the precautions of installing to customers in advance. That is convenient and considerate for you to do that. So before installing, the customer and you could ask, does the installation involve strong or weak electricity? Need a network cable or not? And if the slots or wiring route positions needed to be reserved, and then the loads for the device itself and its installation location, and so on. What do you use to make the design? LifeSmart. Your question, what do you use to make the design? I don't understand where. We can use PowerPoint and Excel to make the design, and we can provide these files to our customers. Oh, here is the installation notes for each devices. For example, for Nature Mini and Switch, needs to cooperate with actual circuit design. Besides leaf wire and control wire, neutral wire is also needed in the 86 type switch box. You can make the notes like this page and provide this to the customers before installing. And the last is the smart devices list. Here we can provide a table to our clients, count all required or alternative products, and generate a total list. It is intuitive to know what kind of devices and how many of each the customer needed to buy. Here's the example, and you can also add the price in this column. And when the project is large, there are a lot of devices. You can provide an Excel file to the customer. Also in the Excel file, you can elaborate on each product. A floor, room type, model, device, describe function, installation, and wiring. Everything can be explained in this table, so it's very detailed. Here, here is a Excel file example. You can open it. Then part 3, create a demo room. So why do we need a demo room? I leave several seconds for you to think about it. Or you can have a think about why do we need a demo room? What do you guys do before buying a car or buy a smartphone? You will play with it and test it, right? So if the customer don't test and play with smart home, how can they make a decision to buy? And according to our data from our domestic sales team, 80% and above of the smart home deal happened in the demo room or after the demo. So it's very important to have a demo room. And you can learn and test the smart home in real application. You can let the customer experience and arouse their interest. It's a good place to make a deal. Here is the LifeSmart smart home experience store in Hangzhou City, China. Create different demo rooms, realize the various smart things, give the clients a comfortable, wonderful feeling when he enter in, touch the device in person, right? When the customer touch the device in person, they will feel wow, amazing, modernized, just feel great, right? And you can exhibit all kinds of series of LifeSmart products on the wall, and you can play a promoted video on a HD full screen. This is our bedroom. So these pictures need us to think about what is the key points for the demo room. The key points is give the customer immersive and interactive experience, right? We can think of it in terms of the four human senses, like vision, hearing, touch, and smell. Vision, for example, the lighting, timing on or off, the curtain open or close, a window open or close, and the nature series. LifeSmart have nature series, and the capital of the competitor doesn't have the nature series. is our advantage. And for hearing, you can play BGM music, welcome home voice message, smart siren, alarm sound, gas sensor, smart siren, and home assistant like Alexa, Google Home, and Siri. And for touching, you can display the touch panel such as Nature Series and Moonstone Switch. It's very comfortable to touch these products, right? And you can provide an iPad for customer to use to play. And for smelling, fragrance diffuser is optional. Here, hope you all can create your own demo room. Okay, today's class is all above. Do you have any questions? You can type in the chat box. I can see it. And after class, there is a quiz for you. Can one control the Sonos player from LifeSmart app? And how many zones of audio can be inserted? Yeah, you can add Sonos on LifeSmart app and control it. How many zones of audio can be inserted? In every zone, you can insert a kind of audio. Okay. When the defend hub is available in June, can the slot also serve as an internet connection for the hub? Slim slot. Hello, Spatic. When the Defender Hub is available in June, the Slim Snort uh, I, huh? I I don't understand your question well. Slim Snort Slim Snort is for the SMS server, right? Also, the Defender Hub is can connect the internet. No, no, no. The SIM card is just for the SMS server. To connect our cloud, it needs internet. And hello, Sheriff. What's the connection between the lighting fittings and the switches? What's the hello, Kawali? How much effort is being put to create a great voice activate service? A smart station with 3G or 4G is not. For now, by now, we don't schedule with it. Thank you. Thank you. SUKKY. SUK. Done the quiz. Thank you for your support. Yeah, if you have much more questions about the new products, you can contact our technical support engineer. Hello, Smartic. When will the app be the same when internet is down or when internet connection is on? Hello, Smartic. Why is it then that when internet is down, you need to log into a lower version of app to control? No, I haven't encountered uh, the the issues. Smartic, for your issue, uh, we need more details about your problem. I think it's a bug, or because I haven't encountered the issue. You mean when access to the cloud is cut off? Mm-hmm. Semantic. How about uh, writing an email to our engineer to explain your issue? Because now I don't understand your question well. Yes, you're right, uh, Kawali. AR. We can use the look mode if the internet is not available. Thank you, AR. Can the main app be designed to remain to operate locally when access to the internet is down like other app. Well, I will forward your requirements to our product department, and we will evaluate it. Okay. You can view all previous live recording. Thank you. Thank you, Smartic. All right. Today's class is over. See you next week. Bye bye.